Stock number 7-71K. This is a 2005 Nissan Murano SL, all-wheel drive. It's got the 3.5 California motor. Radiator's kind of munched. It's got fluid, but I don't really want to drive it too far. There's stuff hanging off it and everything. It does look like there's a possibility, looking on the intake manifold, that this might be a two-time loser. That might be a used replacement engine. Because of that, I'm going to go with the TMU. True mileage unknown. No check engine lights on this thing. And we have 155, 289 for miles. On the truck, at least. And potentially on the transmission as well. Transmission engages nice. It goes forwards and backwards just fine. No slamming, no hesitation, no pause. Everything seems to work good that way. Like I said, I don't really want to drive it just because there's stuff hanging off this thing, and I'm not entirely sure about the coolant situation. So I'm going to shut this thing down right now. But that about does it.